All 4 up. Yeah, alright. So guys, so I ordered some stuff for Black Friday. I'm getting old. And it hurts to crawl on my back all the time underneath the car. And jacking it up takes forever. It's a hydraulic lift. It just runs on, you can plug it right into your wall. So today we're gonna set this thing up and hopefully start using it. Okay, so I got it all unboxed. Here's how they look right out of the box. They sit actually really low. Probably, I think it's just 3 inches off the ground, like at its highest point. Hopefully it'll fit under my car without having to drive it up on blocks. So there's a bunch of different models. It's all listed out here by weight capacity. The one I got is the BL5000SL. That means it's good for up to 5,000 pounds. So that should be able to cover any car I'm working on except for maybe a SUV or a truck.
It's already broken on the inside.
No, check it out though. They got like some lines.
All the hydraulic lines.
Yeah. More hydraulic lines. More hydraulic lines.
All the lines.
Some danger warnings.
Stop. Think about it.
Some boxes. What? There's already some blocks.
Yee.
So I get some extra lift, I guess.
There you go. For your car that you can't use blocks with?
Yep.
All those.
Blocks on days, bro. We can play some Jenga.
Lift it. There you go. There. The part you never see when people use QuickJacks.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, there's like literally a handle on top.
See how it goes oil.
Yeah,
It's probably normal.
It's got hydraulic fittings on it.
And the last block.
There you go. Giant.
There's everything.
Giant Legos.
Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? And then we got
All the fittings.
hella big fittings. And then some air fittings. I think those are hydraulic fittings. Okay. So what you gotta do here is get a 6mm Allen wrench, and you gotta break these plugs loose. Loose. And take these out. And then you take this one with the O-ring side and insert. Alright, next.
Short hose.
Okay, so we go underneath. So now,
This one.
I want it to go that way because the power source is going to be that way. And you stick it in and screw it.
Yeah. Nail QuickJack fitting to the nail end.
Male to male, what's going on here? I don't want to ruin the threads. Dude, they might screw off. Are you serious?
Yep. No, they just pull off.
Oh.
They're just tight.
Okay. Alright, so put what, just a little bit? One layer?
wrap thread seal tape in the same direction as you're going to turn the fitting, in this case clockwise.
So this way.
Clockwise.
Oh, facing it. I mean, honestly, as long as you have some, it's better than none.
Well, yeah, but if you put it the wrong way, you unravel it when you're screwing something else on. And then you just clog the thread.
Yeah. So, this might even, I mean, I just did one overlap, so. Okay.
Okay, bro, here you go. Yeah, the only way it fits.
Alright.
Come on, man. You got a degree. You know,
Useless one.
I thought it was in something like mechanical something.
Nah, business.
No. I'm sorry, I'm in a business degree right now.
Well, at least yours is a master. Mine's just like. Okay.
Alright.
So next, you gotta connect these two.
Now you know why you get more room on one.
You just gotta really shove it in.
You gotta line up the ball with the slot.
Yep. Okay. Now these are all hooked up. Next, you gotta air this up to how much? 40?
40 to 50.
40 to 50 psi. Do not exceed
50.
50. Right now it's at 5. That was 45 psi right there.
Sick.
Well, that's actually 46.
It's fine. Still in the range.
It needs to be 40 low. A low of 40?
Yeah, 40 to 50.
That was like seriously 10 seconds. Maybe less.
Now, yeah, there you go. One thing they say, do not drive vehicles on the hydraulic hoses. So don't run the hoses over, bro.
Alright.
Are you sure?
Is there a left and right?
I don't think so. I said A and B.
I guess it doesn't matter, right?
No, it should go up at the same time.
Yeah. Should. Keyword.
Should. You gotta line up your ball and slot, remember?
Oh yeah. Yep. Lined up. No, then let's just take it off. Yeah, it is pretty tight to get it on, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing.
Hydraulic pressure.
Yeah, I'm hella weak. Well, that was easy. So we gotta fill this up with 2.1 hydraulic fluid, or ATF. You need 2 liters, which is 2.1 quarts. 2 jugs, here we go.
2.1 jugs.
Well, while you do that, I'll pull in the car. So we're using my daily, good old Civic, because I don't want to risk the FD or any of our cars we actually kind of care about. We got oil in the pump, got all the lines hooked up. And this is the moment of truth, kind of. We're gonna line up the blocks and the jacks, and then try to get it up in the air. I don't even know where the jack points are on this thing. Are we doing it this way?
Whatever lines up better with a jack point.
Okay. Let's see. Running over the lines. Okay.
Figure it.
So yeah, I think we'll be okay once it's up.
Alright. Remember, we could use smaller blocks. You don't worry about it.
Should work.
Alright, big block on the other side. Let's put it to the sky.
You. Up and down buttons here. And here we go. First time pushing it.
Alright, now check the fluid.
Well, this is going to surpass 2 and 2.1.
Well, I guess that's probably their estimate, the first one, then you gotta top it off.
Shall we resume?
Go for it.
One, two, three. Oh, that's down. Oh,
Your side came up, this side didn't yet.
oh, mine's dropping it down again. Probably losing pressure.
Yeah.
I'm going up again.
Means it was probably an air bubble.
Alright, ready? One, two, three.
Yeah, this side's still not moving.
It didn't come up at all?
Nope.
What? Okay, here it comes down.
Dude, that's leaking on your one. Look on your side at the QuickJack side. Next to the cylinder.
Onto the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it, it's dripping.
Yep. I saw it when it was coming back down.
Okay, this should be tight enough. Take two.
Alright, this side started to come up.
Alright, my side's fully contact, already started to lift.
Yeah, this one hasn't touched the car yet.
Should I let it back down then?
Yeah. We're basically just cycling.
Ready? One, two, three.
Alright.
Contact?
Yep. It's a little bit behind your side, but
Okay. Come back down. One, two, three.
okay. Alright, all four wheels are off the ground.
Did you just hit the first click?
Yeah.
Going up to the second walk. Ready?
Yep.
One, two, three. Clearing. Clear. Coming back down. Locked. Go. Success.
So much room for activity.
Dude, so much.
Dude, that's so high.
This is sick. Look at that. Look at all this room.
Where's your crawler at?
Ready? So much room for activities. You can do it. Keep going. I put big boy friendly.
It is big boy friendly.
Stable?
Oh yeah.
Alright, now we're going to cycle and go up and down a couple times. So first we got to unlock it. Well, we got to go up and then unlock it.
So you basically just got to get it past the enough to so you can get it to start going down.
Yeah, just to get it off the lock.
Yeah.
Alright, one, two, three.
Alright, you're good.
Alright.
Down she goes. No leaking.
All the way down. Oh, there was some air pressure.
Yeah, that's not. I'm not surprised. Remember, we did fill it up.
Alright, coming down. Watch the lines.
Okay, tires are all down. It's now dropping away from the car.
Alright, here we go. Lifting up the FD.
Is it recorded?
Yep. Oh, did it hit the side skirt?
No.
Mine almost did. Well, this is lighter than the Civic.
All four up. Hell yeah. Got the camera.
And then the camera.
But next time, you just gotta build little wooden ramps to drive onto, I guess. If you want to use bigger blocks.
Yeah, because this is still not quite the height I would want. But I mean, it's still good. Old car problems. Okay, so this is with the jack all the way up, using the small blocks, so we lost a little bit of clearance compared to the Civic, but still way better than regular jacks and jack stands. And you can easily get under there. And this is in the locked position. Here's another lock right here. So right now it's sitting on the higher position. All the room. And it barely clears. So there you have it. That's how you set up a QuickJack. I hope that was helpful. And I'll make some more videos in the future of me actually using it. It's getting pretty late. I just wanted to set it up and just make sure it works and get my car up in the air and see how it looks. All right, see you guys, and thanks for watching.